This is Zarbee's cough syrup. And this has agave and zinc in it. This is supposed to help your toddlers, your babies, when they've got a cough. It tells you right on the bottle how much to give to your child, so you're not going to give them too much. It says 6 months to 12 months, 3 milliliters, and then 12 months to 3 years, 3 milliliters, not to exceed 4 servings per day. Sorry, the 6 to 12 month is 3 milliliters, not to exceed 2 servings per day. It does have suggestions for use. It says shake well before using, take only as directed. But it is liquid, so you're going to be able to put it in a syringe and feed it to your child. And this has just been really great. So if you are looking for a great cough syrup, I highly recommend this.